All right, welcome back to the channel. Gonna do a quick little video on this roadking police tachometer. This is on 04 roadking. I picked this tack up off of eBay. I think 04 through 06 use the same pigtail, and then earlier models or later models use a different one. So just make sure the one that you're getting has the right pigtail. If not, you'll just have to splice and dice it. But there was some questions about whether it was behind the headlight or under the speedometer dash, and mine was behind the headlight, but I'll just show you what you're looking for. So you got to pull your headlight out, of course, but this one right there, that one right there. Focus a little bit. Yeah, that one. So you just plug it into that, and then I drilled a hole in my riser cover and snaked the wire down. So worked out pretty good. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.